Yes, myself, I am Malik. Actually, we are from Nevco Engineers Private Limited. We are dealing with this pollution and process monitoring instruments. We have portable instruments for measurement of oxygen, CO, CO2, all the gases parameters, and we have online system for EQMS, CMS, and water also. And we have supplied most of the industries in Andhra, Telangana, and all over India. We have a different office in different locations for service purposes. Every year we are participating in the CII seminar and we are getting also good response from them. Okay, it's good.